Welcome to Daba's Kids Reading Corner.
Storytime with my Daba.
Today's story is Go to School, Little Monster, written by Helen Ketteman and illustrated by Bonnie Leek.
Welcome, little monster, to your first day of school. I am your teacher. My name's Mr. Drool. Don't hang back, little monster. Come in. Don't be shy. Though I'm big and I drool, I'm a fairly nice guy. Take that seat, little monster. The one on Fang's right. Yeah, his teeth are quite big, but I don't think he'll bite. Time for art, little monster. What did Fang draw? A huge dinosaur with you in its jaw? Don't fret, little monster. It's only pretend. I think Fang is saying he wants to be friends. Recess, little monster. Go play outside. The playground has ogres and dragons to ride. Good choice, little monster. The dragons are fun. Be sure to hold on. They do like to run. Recess is over. It's time now to read. This story you'll find is quite fun indeed. Here's the book, little monster. Its name is Stomp Song. So listen and stomp as I read along. Lunchtime, little monster. What did you bring? Oh dear, you forgot? You don't have a thing? Don't feel so bad. No need to despair. Fang has a huge lunch, and he wants to share. Don't be scared, little monster, to try something new. That's good. Take a piece. Now bite down and chew. You like it, little monster? I thought that you would. It may be different, but different is good. Math time, little monster. Point here, count out loud the numbers of demons that make up the crowd. Uh-oh, little monster. I think you missed one. You and Fang count together. Yes, that's how it's done. Show and tell, little monster. You have something to say? You've made a new friend on your very first day. Don't be sad, little monster, that our day's at an end. You'll be back tomorrow to see your new friend.